Alright, I got me an Ebossom multifunction car vacuum in the mail. This thing is perfect for the truck to get those hard to reach places that you can't get with your regular vacuum. Comes with this nice small hose that can get in those tight places. I mean, it's small and compact. It's got 2 speeds. Let me put this end on it real quick. Alright, there it is. It's got 2 speeds. There's regular. Then you can pump it one more time. Takes off. Underneath the seats where you can't reach with the other hose, and you can get up in there with that thing. It's got a couple of attachments. The thing I like is you can lock the lid, then just pull down to unlock it and push it, and boom, pops open. You can dump out your trash. Oh, look, a dime. But it's also pretty cool because you flip it around, you got you a flashlight, high beam, but also there's your charging port. You take your blower end, put in there, and you can blow up your floats. Just pop it in there, turn it on, and now you're blowing it up. So it's nice and convenient. Float's a little dirty, but look at it getting a lot better than have to blow it to mouth. Still got the 2 speeds. That's a pretty neat little device right there. I mean, not too big. Fits in the glove box or in a little storage pouch. Has a couple other fittings with it. As you can see on the back of the box. It is nice.